Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Vtech cordless phone that has no dial tone. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in this simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 4 things that you can try to hopefully get your dial tone back on your Vtech cordless phone. Let's get right into the video. I know it's alarming when you don't hear a dial tone because you picture the worst case scenario, but in reality, it's most likely not going to be the worst case scenario. It's probably not going to be a big problem. It's probably going to be a minor problem that's easy to fix. So the first thing that you can try is take a look at the actual phone line cable. So on the back, let's just take out the phone right here. On the back of your handset, okay, right over here, I don't have mine connected at the moment, but right over here, it goes your actual phone cable. So you want to make sure that the phone line is indeed plugged in properly over here and properly into your wall connector, into your wall port. Now, here's the thing. With the older style phone lines, right, sometimes that little tab that you push on can break off. And if that's broken off, then that phone line can come unplugged easily, especially since it's facing down, right? So gravity might unplug it, or if you move this around a lot. So make sure it's plugged in properly into the actual base of the Vtech cordless phone handset and into the actual wall port, okay? And you might even want to try replacing that phone line because maybe your phone line is the cause. And you can sort of narrow that down with the rest of the steps as well. So don't jump to conclusions, but you can sort of narrow it down with the rest of the steps, okay? So that's the first thing. Check the phone line itself, the actual phone cable. The second thing is the base plugged in properly? Maybe your base is not plugged in properly and it's not getting the correct amount of power or any power at all, which would really prevent the Vtech from having a dial tone and working properly. So your base plugs into the wall outlet it plugs in here to the base. This cord plugs in here to the base, and then it plugs into the wall outlet up there, okay? So make sure your base is plugged in properly. Make sure everything is nice and securely plugged in. Make sure your cord is in good shape, and make sure the outlet's working. Sometimes circuits, circuit breakers trip or fuses have blown, and people think the unit is a problem, but in reality, it's just a problem with their electrical. Okay, so yeah, make sure that the power is working properly with regards to the power going to the base. The third thing that you can try is go and get a corded phone, a regular corded phone, plug it in using the same phone cable, okay, into the same wall port for your phone line, okay, and see if that works. If your regular corded phone works with the same wall port for your phone line and that same exact phone cable that you're using, then you know the cable and the port are not the problem. It's something to do with the Vtech handset itself. You know your phone line is working fine, that cable's working fine, that port is working fine in the wall, but it's something to do with the handset itself. If your corded phone doesn't work, then guess what? It's the cable, it's your phone line in general, like your phone service, or it's that port in the wall that you're plugging into. So sort of narrow it down by using a regular corded phone, an old school phone, as I like to call them, which I still actually, believe it or not, I still use one because my grandmother has an old school rotary phone. So honestly, whenever I go to her house, I just use it. I just use it just because it's so fun to dial, right? So they're really, really cool. And honestly, it's a good experiment to try and narrow down the problem. Last but not least is number 4, which is to disconnect the battery on the phone for 1 minute and then reconnect it. So pop open the cover on the back of the handset over here, okay? Because maybe your handset isn't recognizing that it has a like a dial tone, right? Your handset might be the problem. Unplug this battery for 1 minute, plug it back in, put the cover back on. If it still doesn't work, as a bonus added thing for the 4th step, you can unplug this from the wall, unplug the base from the wall for 1 minute and then plug the base back in. Okay, and that will sort of reset them, and hopefully that will get it working again, get your dial tone working again. And then if you can't find the problem through all of that, then it could just be like a faulty actual unit, or it could also be that maybe your whole phone service is down. Your phone line might be down temporarily, so you might want to look into your carrier and ask them if there's a problem in your area or anything like that. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.